Example number 19. This is on the page number 85. Arya Group Depot class 8. Example number 19 is saying there are 20 balls in a bag numbered from 1 to 20. What is the probability of drawing a ball which has number 1 an even number greater than or equal to 6, a number between 1 and 30, a prime number on each. So how many balls are there? There are 20 numbers. So first is a even number. So 20 balls are there. And numbers are 1 to 20. So 1 is there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So first you have to find the probability of drawing a ball with an even number. So probability of drawing a number with even numbers is equal to, how many numbers are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So such balls are 10, while total number of balls are 20. That is 1 by 2 or you can write 2.5 also. Next question is numbers greater than or equal to 6. So greater than or equal to 6. That means we have to take the numbers from 6 to 20. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So numbers are 15. So what will be like here? Probability of drawing a ball numbered with more than or equal to 6 is equal to 15 by 20. Next is next question. Numbers between 1 and 30 are, so drawing a ball with a numbers between 3 to 30 are 3 to 30. So here 3 is there and here 13 is there. So how many numbers are in between the 3 to 30? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are 9 balls including both 3 and 30. Drawing a ball with a number between 3 and 30 are 4 to 12. 4 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and 2 more balls, that is ball having numbers between 1 to 30. 1 to 30. Question is a number between 1 and 30. Okay, so 1 and 30 is here. then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So here it is 11. You have to write drawing balls numbers numbered between 1 to 30 is equal to 11 by 20. Last question is probability of drawing a ball having prime numbers on it. So prime numbers are 1, 2, 3, not 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, and 8. So numbers are drawing balls number B prime numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 20, and that is 4 by 2 by 5. 8 by 20. That means 4 by 10. 2 by 5. Exercise 5.3. There are some questions. You have to solve all the questions of this exercise. To sum up is 1. Presentation of data in classes along with the corresponding frequencies of the class is called group frequency distribution. Second, in the class interval say 10 to 20, 10 is called the lower limit and 20 is the upper limit. Third, the smaller the class interval, more accurate are the results. 4. Midpoints of a class is called the class mark. 5th, histograms are drawn for continuous class intervals. 6. Histograms differ from the bar graphs in the fact that is the histograms there are no gaps between two adjacent rectangles, whereas in bar graphs there are uniform gaps between the two adjacent rectangles. 7. Circular diagram representing the data by means of sectors of a circle is called a pie chart. 8. To draw a pie chart, we construct a circle and divide it into sectors proportional to the numerical values of the items given in the data. 9. Probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So you have to remember all these summaries also, and you have to write in your fair notebook, and you have to memorize all this summary. We will discuss, this chapter is over. Sharpen your mind, you have to do it yourself. Squares and square roots, this is the next chapter, chapter number 6.